Howdy. Today I've got a package from Whatnot. It should all be city figs, so let's open it up and see what we got. This guy did a really nice job of packaging. Couldn't get it open there for a second. Came in a nice blue bag. Alright, this was $2 figs off of his board. I saw some cool things on his board, so I wanted to go ahead and bid on them. So the first thing I spotted was this. It's an old vintage figure, and I thought it looked kind of nice. Don't know much about it, but this one I actually know nothing about, but it's always good to get a reddish brown figure. They don't make a lot of them. This guy looks almost like a Series 4 skater, but he also somewhat looks fake. That is interesting. So we have a fake Series 4 skater. That's something I've never seen before. You can see there's no LEGO logo on top, and his legs are fake as well. That's interesting. Might have to ask for a refund on that one. Here's a, I don't know what shirt this is from. This guy's real. Just some cool stuff. This is what I was really interested in when I bid for it. This red necklace, white shirt girl is kind of nostalgic to some people. I didn't grow up with her, but a lot of people like her. She's got the wrong hair on though. You're supposed to have this hair on. And this is a Series 8 businessman. And he's real. That's good. It's always good to get a real one. But yeah, he was advertising these as city figures. He's not cracked or anything. That one's a pretty good figure. Sorry about that, I just wanted to go and look at everything on Bricklink really quick and pull this from my collection. This is the real skater guy. So, as you can see, he's got a LEGO logo at the top. His beanie looks significantly different. It's not printed. So I just want to show you guys. Obviously the plastic feels cheaper, but the quality is just completely different. The printing, you can tell it's completely off. It's very interesting. Also, those legs are abysmal. Wow. That is so sad. I can pull it right off. That's funny. Anyways, I went and looked up. This guy is exactly who I thought he was. I didn't want to say it because I wasn't confident, but his name is The Shocker. And he only came in one set. It was a Beware the Vulture set from Marvel superheroes. And this guy is named Ronnie from Hidden Side. So I don't have very many Hidden Side figures that came out around a time where I wasn't that much into LEGO. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of what we got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. I want to know if you guys want to see more of this. This is my first time doing anything like this, so if you like it, just let me know. You can leave a comment or subscribe, that would be appreciated. Oh, she's got a cracked arm. I'll replace that, no problem. These reddish brown minifigures are very cool. There's not a lot of them, so. This one doesn't come with the right hair, but it's just a normal black hair piece. Oh, cracked as well. That's so sad. The same arm too, that's funny. But what can you do? Really dirty too. Kind of gross. This hair It's really nice to get these hairs because they come on a lot of vintage figures and these pigtails break off really easily, so. Black color's not too rare though. And then of course, finally, our unfortunately fake skater guy. His head looks kind of real, but you can definitely tell by the plastic that it's completely fake. Alright, see you guys.